In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Gumtree. If you're trying to access your Gumtree account quickly and easily, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to look for on the screen and what to do at each stage. To begin, go to gumtree.com in your web browser. You can do this on a desktop or laptop browser, and once the homepage loads, give it a moment to fully appear so all the navigation options are visible. Starting from the homepage is important because it ensures you're following the standard sign-in route and seeing the correct login options. Once you're on the Gumtree homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Log In. This is the main entry point for accessing your existing account. If you don't see it right away, just scan the upper area of the page carefully, since website layouts can sometimes shift slightly depending on your screen size or browser window. After you click Log In, you'll be taken to the sign-in options. From here, choose Google as your sign-in method. This is a convenient option if your Gumtree account is connected to your Google account, since it lets you sign in without manually typing account credentials into Gumtree itself. When the Google sign-in window appears, select your account from the list shown on the screen. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, your account may appear automatically, and you can simply click it to continue. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one linked to your Gumtree account so you don't run into any access issues. Once you select the correct Google account, the sign-in process should continue automatically and you'll be taken back into Gumtree while signed into your account. At that point, you should be able to access your profile, messages, saved listings, or any other account features available to you. As a quick tip, if the Google account list doesn't show the account you need, you may need to sign into the correct Google account first before continuing. Also, if the page seems unresponsive, refreshing the browser and repeating the same steps can often help. That's all there is to it. By going to Gumtree.com, clicking Login in the top right corner and choosing Google before selecting your account, you can sign in just a few moments.